We've got really good customers here because we've got a long-standing 10-year plus customer and a somewhat newer customer, right? What advice would you give to somebody just starting out with Active Intelligence and their ActiveCampaign instance?
I would first start by segmenting your data on the front end. And then just ask Active Intelligence, almost like it's a person, what I can do to grow my business. If you start with those questions, it will give you the blueprint on what to do. Like I said, a year ago, we're hiring 2 to 3 people to help us figure this out. Now we have one person running the system to inform the team on what to do, what's working. And quite honestly, I mean, if we look at this year versus last year, I mean, February on record was our best month we've had. And it's a 10x increase from the previous February.
Wow.
So there's a lot of, I attribute that a lot to the good people we have on our team, but how they're running and using our systems and how, like I said, the car is, we're building it together.
Yeah.
It's not just me or someone else. So.
Yeah. Gary, how about you? What advice would you give to somebody just starting out?
I think one of the biggest pieces of value that Active Intelligence offers today is that contextual history from your own internal data. I think there's 3 steps that I would go through for any sort of email platform. It aligns with some of the segmentation that Chris is describing. The first would be research, the second would be design, the third would be test and deploy, especially if you're early because it's less risky if you're first testing things out. So on the research front, what I would do is look at both internal and external data sources. On the external side, you could use other AI tools, you could do your own market research to understand, okay, well, what are the types of email messaging that I should be generating? What type of marketing communications do I need? On the internal side, you have to look at your own existing data. And the way I would incorporate Active Intelligence into this is you ask the questions of like, well, what are the benchmarks here? You go to Active Intelligence then and say, okay, here's some data I have, here's some research I've put together. What do you recommend then? How do you structure this? What type of standard email campaign should I have in place? What type of standard automations, just to have the foundation in place? The second piece then would be to start designing. And I would ask Active Intelligence to actually develop at least the initial templates and the, what's the basic automation, what's the first campaign that I should have in place. And once you start designing and testing things out, the third is, deploy. You actually have to run the campaign and start to evaluate how effective it can ultimately be. I think that as you use the product more, the better it gets. And I think it's a critical component of ActiveCampaign and Active Intelligence, and anything that has direct first-party access to the data will always perform better than you going to any tool and asking questions, because it's just going to give you external research, and you really want to be using your own data to be making the decisions.
Absolutely, absolutely.